Hello Red Devils, MUFC Legend here and I'm back again with another video. So Anthony Martial is close to agreeing a new Manchester United contract. So let's get straight into the news. So as you can see, according to Sky Sports sources, Martial is close to reaching an agreement with Manchester United over a 5-year contract, Sky Sports News understands. It marks a breakthrough in discussions after he rejected an offer back in October. United recently activated a year-long extension clause in the striker's current contract to keep him tied at the club until 2020. And now he is set to sign a 5-year contract, which is amazing news for the club. He's a great talent and he's been in fine form lately. And it's just fantastic to see that the club, they made progress on Anthony Martial's new contract. And now hopefully the same situation goes for David De Gea. And we need to keep our best players at the club in order to progress to the further level. So Anthony Martial is close to agreeing a 5-year deal with Manchester United. So anyways, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.